I want to talk today about transparency and ethics in our use of data and AI. In America, the FICO score is the bureau score, right? If you want a bureau score, it's the FICO score. And we looked at changing the bureau score from a traditional scorecard to a neural network, okay? And this is what we found, okay? We got a 2% predictive uplift on the scorecard. Now, that may not seem a lot, but if you're processing hundreds of billions of scores and each of those, that little bit of uplift is worth a few dollars, that quickly becomes a massive financial boost. But more than this, and this will get all the managers really excited, to build the scorecard, it only took us 40 resource hours as opposed to 800. So straight away, using a more powerful algorithm would really help us with this model. Problem is, neural networks by themselves are essentially push a whole hoard of data into something that kind of looks like a human brain and brings everything together and looks for complex combinations and then looks for the next set of complex combinations and so on and so forth. It's really not that explainable. You can use incredibly complex algorithms, but you need to be able to find the relationships inside them and test those combinations, those latent features, those combinations of variables for bias in your subpopulations. That means that producing a model is not just a business decision, it's a moral decision as well. Right? And this comes even down to a simple loans origination scorecard. When you implement your loans origination scorecard, it is not just a business decision, it is a moral decision to use the algorithm that you have. Are you absolutely sure that you are not introducing bias into the system that will detrimentally affect some people? And you know what? Even with complex models like neural networks, we can go into those latent features and show what they're doing in subpopulations. We can see there's bias. We can take machine learning boosted trees and dissect individual scores. As we increase complexity, we can actually bring explainability up with us. And in doing so, we can address some of the real ethical issues in complex algorithmic modeling.